people now hear me lose it. When I time, I don't really say I lose it, but it's like, I can't even write. It's like, I have to link out right, I feel right, I'm going to link out Black Pearl and say
So what cause that? The meds just never did it?
I don't even know that. I tell you, when I tell me just not even write, you can't even write again. And I said, John, no star, you know, so I try to write a song and I can't. I said, but I go link out Black Pearl and I sit down on a pencil. Well, back then, Black Pearl was a mentor to me, because the man, back in the days, Black Pearl showed me a whole heap of things. Like,
right.
me come up with the idea and say, yo, hear the idea. A big man like you, rape off a 6-year-old, maybe can stay man. And him say, what, Chucky? And I said, DJ it again. And I said, put that part in it. Man, make me drop for you, all the Moses law.
Yeah.
So I deal with, I feel, I hear that, enough of them want me. I come back and say, I don't want to move it till so I saw the energy me used to have, but him is a writer a long time.
Yeah.
But me used to just pass it on to him, because them man there know the business, and them their own jam is them, and jam is them teaching, this and man them all people are teaching. Then now, me have friends, Mr. Black Pearl, you like that song? Oh baby, how you coming over tonight? I'm feeling so lonely. I must say, what Chucky? Make a girl, put in a part tonight. Like a girl that answer you back and say, yes, I'm coming over tonight. I need you, my baby.
It's in the year of big tune, Bill.
It's in the year, so them energy there. But then, there was just a pause in the life, like, you know what I mean? Don't know, you know, sometimes certain energy just come about, you know, because you don't know, you have to go through some things more time. Because we all go through things, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
With female and everything there, and woman and everything there. You know what I mean? They don't know. One time I left out and go on a tour and come back and come see an empty house.
What you say?
Yeah, but I go feel me tell you them that. You know, girl with that talk to just come and just go say, boom and God, move out everything. You see me I did it and I said, but please, I said, John, I still them things stay.
No
so
link, no nothing. Just cut.
You know, take them. I said, yo, you know, take on the thing, take with this, that, bam, bam. And I said, John, no, it can't just flesh.
Yeah,
you see me I deal with, but then I just go step boom and rise back above that and I say, yo, alright. The one I say, I keep it. We just start over back.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with, but then going down the line now, you don't know, you know, it's like me just kind of cool off of music and I said, John must rotate it and then later we did it. So that was like a season of Chuck Fender life. So people that understand, what happened to Chuck Fender, nah, you might get rotate it. It's like you go through like a trauma because you put your trust in a person.
Yeah.
And you trust this person so much, you know what I mean? You put your trust in a person, you trust the person.
Right.
And then now when you come back to person and do something like that to you, like, you know what I mean?
It take a minute
you pull the door,
get
you see
over that.
everything gone, all your things them you buy, all your furniture them gone and all them things because you don't know, you know?
Yeah, man.
I said, whoa. I look back at me and said, Bible, I said, the arms are fresh will fail you. So you need to trust your own and I said, yo. So I call her and I said, yo, what going? Fire she there. And then
so what she do with the thing then? She sell them?
like she take them and just gone.
Because she can't fly out with them.
Them feet of them reach.
Yeah.
And I said, well, if you go around God, they can't go around God.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I said, God govern all things, you know, so we have material things that we have found. Them things they are jokes. So this was alright, but we just kind of understand and say, look, I say, yo, these are things that open up your eyes.
Yeah.
So I deal as a youth because you put all your trust in the people and you say, alright, you just say, alright, yeah, man, do that because there was a, you know, what could have gone wrong for a person doing all of them things there.
Really?
So, you know, and then we start looking and I say, alright, go on. And we just kind of just cool off the music for a little bit and then there was a season that passed and then now then we go connect back and now we connect back with the light.
So how you connect with the light now? What was the
because
the light was more.
Remember in the Fifth Element days, you know, when I say with the bubble, you know, the priest, you know,
yeah.
the priest will then come down and pray and show certain energy, you know. The elders them, you have certain Rastafari and when them man, you know, come down out of the hills, you know, when them man come down a lightning and thunder. No, them man ain't even too talk.
Yeah.
So when them man come down and show and give you wisdom and knowledge and show you Rastafari movements and show you certain things and say, yo, certain leave it to the chemistry.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with. So sometimes as a youth you might falter a little bit. You might falter. You know what I mean? You might, you know. So we all falter a little
along
bit, along the way. But you have to catch back yourself.
Yeah,
so now, boom, you have to catch back yourself. So when the priest see me, when the priest see me, come in I walk one day and the priest see me, I say, priest, XYZ,
Yeah.
And the priest I said, what to you? I'm gonna show you priest say, yo, priest, and the man I said, yeah, I'm Italian same way.
Alright.
You know what I mean? They're not taking nothing from you.
Exactly.
You remember the formula when I teach you? And I said, yeah. Man, I said, formula. Man said, just remember the formula and walk. And I said, priest, boy. And the man I said, remember the formula. So I go back home and my eyes up and I said, okay. This is what the priest I said. So I just remember about the formula. So the formula never changed. So I just refurnished back the house. And I said, so now we just, we can it back. You know what I mean? With the light.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You have to connect back with the light and with the universe. You have to connect back with Jah. Because all of these things is nothing. Material things. BMW, millions of dollars, pretty girl, big house, all of them things. Them the things they can't stay with you. Eternal life we are dealing with.
Pass through all of them something.
Them there's nothing to me. So I see some youth around them and I say, yo, this and that. And I look at them and I say, you're not true.
Yeah.
I'm overs material.
Yeah, man.
I'm overs all of that. But see, when you connect with the light, when you connect with the creator, a different thing.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to go back to talk, I'm going to go back to the whole and vibe with the universe.